Such a beautiful old community here with all of the tour boats close at hand. And here are our bicycles all lined up. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
So it's first thing in the morning. We're on the Isle of Terschelling and we're ready for a bike ride. It's a beautiful sunshiny day. The wind is going to be about 16 miles an hour. So you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
All right.
Beautiful scenery. So Jan, how's your ride so far?
Very good. Perfect temperature. Sun comes in and out. Fairly flat terrain. And the wind is not at 50 miles per hour yet.
Yeah, like yesterday. Morning. Hi. Good morning, sheep. So this is nice, gravel pathway for a while. Very smooth. So in our beautiful ride this morning, we stopped to have some water and an orange and a banana and some M&M's peanuts. So it's been a great ride so far. I think we're just about at the 10-mile mark, and this is what we're looking at the whole way. Pretty nice, don't you think? Back on the bikes. It's a nice small path. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. So we stopped and had our lunch, and now we've been riding down some really nice bike paths, up and down little hills. Nothing that is very strenuous at all. But we're about 5 miles from the finish today. How's your ride going, Jan?
It's great. We've seen a lot of birds, a lot of different flowers, a lot of water. It's just been a beautiful ride, kind of through some sand dune areas. So it's been nice.
Very enjoyable. Okay, we're going to continue. We're in the pine trees. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Alles gut?
Good, very good. Morning. Hi.
Thank you.
About 1.5 miles to go to get back to the boat. They're beautiful flowers. So we're all done with our ride. It was 26 miles of wonderfulness, and now ice cream is calling, so we're gonna get moving. So we're back on the boat, and we left the port where we were, and we're heading for the city of Harlingen, where we'll be biking tomorrow. And right now, they're starting to put the sails up, so let's go see what that's gonna look like. Well, the captain put the mainsail up, but the wind died. The wind is picking up a little bit.
Good morning. It's a fine morning here in Harlingen, Friesland, and we're getting ready for our next bike tour.
Yes, and we're going to be cycling about 24 miles today down to Makkum, I believe. We're going to stop off at a very old planetarium this morning during our ride, and we'll take a tour through that. So that should be interesting. We will get moving. Going through the residential area, plenty of solar panels on those houses. Oh, we have to go through here. Yeah. Little path. Very nice tunnel. So we're about 5 miles into our ride this morning, and we just went through a very cool tunnel. This is where we ended up, and you could either take the stairs or take the very narrow cycling path. So it was nice. We're going through some fields this morning, and now we're going to continue on our way. There it is. So after we went to the planetarium, we found a bakery across the street, which is very nice. And we ordered some pastry and coffee in this charming little town. Just leaving the planetarium and that wonderful bakery. Beautiful little community. Like we're going through a green tunnel. Well, we're a little over halfway done with our ride today, and it's just beautiful open fields after leaving that very nice town and that bakery. So we're going to continue on. I think we've got another 12 miles to go, and looking forward to the rest of the ride. Back again. 25.9 miles.
25?
Well, our ride is done for today. We did about 26 miles, around 40 kilometers, to the little village of Makkum. It's an old fishing village and it's rather quaint here. So we're going to take a walk and then enjoy a nice dinner prepared by our very own chef. So looking forward to that.